my dear friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. Okay, so the climate is very nice. The sky is full of clouds and it's drizzling a bit right now. I actually thought of going on my bike today, but looking at the situation of the climate, I wanted to drive to this lake called Shamirpet lake, which is about 40 kilometers from my home. So the reason why I'm going to this lake is, it's the weather, which is very calm and very pleasant. So I'm going to visit this lake today and show you guys the beauty around this lake. And I'm happy about the suction mount cup, which was failing to stick after trying so many times. Alright guys, so I bought this suction mount so that I can actually have my phone or maybe the GoPro mount onto any of the mirrors on this car. So looks like this has actually gone bad. So the one on which my phone is currently on has been doing really great. It never came off. But this one, maybe it just came off and fell like about 10 times maybe. I put some water on it and then I stick onto the mirror again, and then there was no use. So I came to know by watching a couple of videos on YouTube, if I see a dimple on this rubber thing, then that means it's not going to stick properly. I need to fix that. So I see a very little dimple on this. So if you see, there is a very little dimple on this. So to fix it, I need to make this hot by pouring some boiling water on it, or I can use a flame. So I do not have a lighter with me, so I thought I'll use this candle. Alright, I think that's about enough heat. Now I'm going to stick it onto the mirror. Yeah, so this is the position I wanted this mount to be on. Alright. The reason I wanted this mount to be here, because if I mount my phone over here, or maybe my GoPro, it's quite next to the this AC vent. So if it is hot climate and I'm constantly recording on my phone or on my GoPro, it will be a very good spot. Alright, so I'm going to take a look at it in the morning, because I had this experience, like it takes at least a night, or maybe sometime through the night it just falls off. But let's see this time how it is going to work. Okay, so it's the next day and looks like this did not fall off. After the second night also, this suction cup mount didn't give up its suction power, and this is more than 4 days, so it's still holding on. I think we have a success here. After fixing the suction mount, I gained undivided concentration. So I'm carrying my bicycle this time because there are some parts where my car cannot go. When I looked it on Google Maps, the path to reach this lake is a bit congested. So I thought it's a good idea to carry my bicycle this time, so that I can park my car somewhere and then ride my bicycle towards the lake. Alright, so just bought some snacks just in case if I feel hungry, I can have something at the lake. So after crossing all the madness, the traffic madness and all, I am on the highway right now. So I think I'm going to travel peacefully until I reach my destination. I need to, travel about 5 more kilometers to take a diversion. Hopefully, the road after that becomes much more interesting. Okay, time to get down from the outer ring road onto the Karimnagar highway. Alright, take my money. Thank you. So this is Karimnagar highway. I think I'm going to squeeze in. Let me pull my bicycle out. When the strings of a mind retunes with the soothing sound of a lake, that's when the heart sweet sounds. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care.